Hello everyone, G-Mech again. Back with a heads up video, I guess I'll call this one. So, working on a Kohler 25-26 horsepower V-twin engine on a Craftsman riding mower. And as you can see, it had a blown head gasket. So we pulled it all apart, and believe it or not, Kohler upgraded the gasket, as you can see in comparison. So today we're going to get this back together and get it running, so we can hopefully cut some grass with it. So, but as you can see, a lot of work to do. We got to disconnect the carburetor, remove the, which I just kind of left everything hang here, less chance of leaking gas. Pinched it off with a pair of forceps, and just kind of let everything sitting here. Stuck a rag in the intake, kept it clean. We wire brushed this all off to clean it up. Snuck the bolts out so we could leave the exhaust here. It moves just enough so we could work at it. But we're going to get this back together and get it running. But I just wanted to pass on that video, or a video on here on how they upgraded in Kohler for the head gasket. So my motto is the other side seems to be not showing any signs of leaking, so we're going to leave that alone. So, as always, as I say, this is G-Mech. Like, subscribe. And again, I will say this, and I like it. Keep on wrenching.